Okay, here we have the single stitch crochet. First we did a chain of 13, and then on the 13th stitch, or the 13th crochet, we are going to spin that around and go this way. This is lesson number 2. Alright, and it should look like this when you're done. Okay? Alright, so here we are where we left off last time, and I'm going to go ahead, and the trick here is you're going to skip this stitch right here, but you see these top little loops, so I'm going to skip that one, and you know, I can see already the hole right here. There's a hole right there, and you're going to go right in there, and now you have 2 loops on the crochet needle, and you're going to go yarn over, hook it down, and through one, through the second one. This is going to be tricky. And then again, yarn over, through, and through. So you want to keep looking for that hole. If you can't quite see this very well, just go ahead, you may look it up, find other resources, go on YouTube, see what you can find. This is going to be very frustrating. You may have to do this several times. Okay? But you know, that's why I'm giving you guys 2, you know, 1 full week for the chain, and then another full week for the single crochet. If you want to do the single crochet and the chain all in 1 week, do so. What's, you know, nobody's stopping you. But it does take practice. And you may do 1 or 2, it doesn't look good, you pull it apart, try it again. Okay. Almost done here. Right here at the very end. Almost done here. I realize this may be difficult on video, but you know, we just have to do what we can here. Let's see. On the last one, let me see, we're going to pull it through. Like so. Row. Okay. Pull it through like so. And then I'm going to go ahead and cut right here. Okay. And then you see this last little loop here? This last little loop right here? What I'm going to do, if ever I wanted to finish a stitch, pick it up some other time or later, what I do is I come in here, last loop, you're going to crochet that in there, and then you just pull it, and you've just created another slip knot. So here it is, a single crochet. One way single crochet stitch. The 13th one is the little height, and then back. So technically this is 12 and 12, because the 13th one is just for right here.